Angela here, and today we're gonna be making a really fun, simple, quick, but it needs to rest. We're gonna be making scallion pancakes. So, to make scallion pancakes, we're gonna need scallions. You're also gonna need flour, hot boiling water, salt, room temperature water, and sesame oil. All right, so we have our flour. We are going to sprinkle our salt. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of sugar. We're just gonna start mixing that up. Okay, so we're gonna pour our ½ cup of boiling water, and it has to be like boiling hot. This is the secret in making these scallion pancakes. And then a ¼ cup of room temperature water. Use God's tool, AKA your hands. And yes, the dough is gonna be very hot, but it's not gonna be like it's gonna burn you. I find it very therapeutic on your hands. I remember when I was a kid, my first scallion pancake experience was actually at one of those Asian grocery stores. They're out of business now, sadly, but they had like a hot food section, and they had like a fried section and kind of like a dough section was like these flat, kind of dimpy, sad, limpy looking medallions of they look like pancakes fried, and they had green onions in it. And I pointed out to my mom, I was like, oh, that looks delicious. And then my mom's like, yeah, let's go try it. And we tried it and we loved it. And ever since then, I would ask my mom on like a special occasion, like on my birthday, or like on like a random day if we're not doing anything, I would ask for these scallion pancakes. Now you're gonna wanna knead this 100 times. Now that you've kneaded your dough 100 times, you're gonna see it's nice and smooth. It's not sticky anymore. We're gonna let this rest for 1 hour. Yes, be patient, folks. We're gonna let it sit for 1 hour. While we wait, we're gonna cut up some scallions and do some laundry. Were you patient? Did you wait the full hour? Because if you did, your dough's fully rested. Congrats! You have a smooth, kind of springy, spongy, nice feeling piece of dough. Now we're gonna roll this out. And the size that you're gonna make your scallion pancakes, it's up to you on how big you want these. I'm gonna cut it in half first. We're gonna roll it out. The goal is to roll it out like super, super duper thin. Okay, so here, we're gonna drizzle some sesame oil. You can use regular oil too, sunflower oil, canola oil, whichever. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna sprinkle some salt. Perfect. And then you're gonna scatter our green onions. That just looks appetizing, doesn't it? Okay, perfect. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it like this, making sure your scallions stay in place. Okay, see that? And then we're gonna roll it this way, like we're making a pinwheel. Just like that. This last one, I decided to add some mozzarella cheese to. And I would say don't knock it until you try it. It's actually really good. All right, here are all our little snails right here. So we have our little ball, and then we're going just to roll it out. And it's okay if some of the scallions come out. That's only normal. Flip them. Doing this will help kind of get it all like flaky. You can see like how flaky it's come. Look how flaky. How it's hot still. Look how like you can already see that it's like flaking off. So look. Look at that. Oh, it's so hot, but so worth that food shot. Focus, come on. Look how flaky that is. Let's give it a try. It's crispy, it's chewy, it's fragrant, and the flakiness just makes it like that much perfect. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love eating a bunch of scallions at the same time like me. Or well, just me. Recipe's gonna be linked down below, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.